Now let us start practice set 1.2, which is depend upon BPT, angle bisector theorem, converse of BPT, converse of angle bisector theorem, and property of three parallel lines and transversal. Question number 1, let us see. Given below are some triangle and length of line segment. Identify in which figure ray PM is the bisector of angle QPR. Now in first figure, if you look, in triangle QPR, PM is the given line segment. Length of PQ is equal to 7, PR is equal to 3, QM is equal to 3.5 and RM is equal to 1.5. Now, if it is the angle bisector, then the ratio of these remaining side is equal to the ratio of the opposite sides, part of the opposite side. So, PQ divided by PR is equal to 7 upon 3. This is the first one. Second, QM divided by MR is equal to, we have got 3.5 divided by 1.5. That is, this is in decimal point. If you multiply by 10 to this one, that is 35, multiply by 10 to this 15, that is 7, 5 7s are 5 3s are. This is 2. In short, from 1 and 10 you will get PQ upon PR is equal to QM upon MR from 1 and 2. So, we can say the ratio of the opposite side of angle P is equal to ratio of the remaining side. So, by converse of angle bisector theorem, PM is bisector of angle QPR. In second figure, now here PR is equal to 7, PQ is equal to 10, RM is equal to 6, MQ is equal to 8. Now again if we look, PR upon PQ is equal to 7 upon 10, RM upon MQ is equal to 6 upon 8, that is 3 upon 4, that is 7 upon 10 is not equal to 3 upon 4, that is PR upon PQ is not equal to RM upon MQ. So, PM is not angle bisector of angle QPR. Now, this one third, try to yourself. Simply again the same. PQ upon PR is equal to QM upon MR. Substitute the values. If the both are equal, that is PQ upon PR is equal to QM upon MR, then you can say converse of angle bisector theorem, it is the angle bisector. If it is not equal, you can say it is not an angle bisector. Now question number 2. In triangle PQR, question number 2. In triangle QPR or PQR, PM 15, PQ 25, PR 20, NR 8. State whether line NM is parallel to side RQ or not. Give reason. Now, PQ 25, PM or NR they have given 8. Now if we look here properly, PQ is equal to RN or PN plus NR. PQ is equal to PM plus MQ. PQ 25. Now here PM 15 is equal to 15 plus MQ, that is MQ is equal to 25 minus 15, 10. Now PR is equal to PN plus NR, PR 20, NR 8, PN plus 8, that is NR is equal to 20 minus 8, that is NR is equal to 12. Now PN divided by NR is equal to PN ये PN आ गए 12, PN is equal to 12, NR is equal to 8, that is 4 3 जा 4 2 जा. Now PM upon MQ is equal to PM 15, MQ 10, both are same, that is PN upon NR is equal to PM upon MQ. Then by converse of BPT, line NM is parallel to side QR. Understand? Next, in angle MNP, NQ is bisector of N. If MN is equal to 5, PN 7, MQ 2.5, then find PQ. Simple है. एंगल बाइसेक्टर दिया है. NQ is bisector of angle MNP. Therefore, by angle bisector property or theorem, MN upon NP is equal to MQ upon QP. Now MN 5 upon 7 is equal to MQ 2.5 upon QP. Now we have to find out PQ. PQ is equal to 2.5 into 7 divided by 5. That is 5 1 जा 5 5 जा, that is 3.5. PQ is equal to 3.5. Next one, fourth one, let us see. Measure of some angle in the figure are given. Prove that AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. Very simple. In triangle APQ and triangle ABC, angle PAQ is equal to angle BAC, common angle, angle APQ is equal to angle ABC, given. Now angle APQ, but ये कॉमन की जरूरत है, बट एंगल APQ and angle ABC are corresponding angles. If corresponding angles are congruent, therefore PQ parallel BC. PQ parallel BC हो गई, तो इन ट्रायंगल ABC by BPT, in triangle ABC PQ parallel BCA, तो by BPT we can say AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC by basic proportionality theorem. If a line parallel to one side of a triangle, then it divide other two sides in equal ratio. This one again we will see. The fourth तक मैंने देखा 5, 6, 7, 8 simply they are dependent upon the angle bisector or BPT. Try yourself. If there is problem, ask me. In triangle ABC, segment BD bisect ABC. If angle AB is equal to x, BC is equal to x plus 5, AD is equal to x minus 2, DC is equal to x plus 2, then find the value of x. Simply again, BD is bisector of angle ABC. Therefore, by angle bisector property, अब एंगल बाइसेक्टर प्रॉपर्टी से हम क्या बोलेंगे, AB अपॉन BC इज इक्वल टू AD अपॉन DC. Substitute the value x plus 5 is equal to x minus 2 divided by x plus 2. Cross multiplication, that is x into x plus 2 is equal to x minus 2 into x plus 5. That is x square is equal to x square plus 5x minus 2x minus 10. x square कैंसिल नहीं तो ऐसा देखेंगे, ये सब x वाले एक साइड ले, x square minus x square plus 2x minus 5x plus 2x is equal to minus 10. x square गया, ये 2x plus 2x 4x minus 5x minus x is equal to minus 10. That is x is equal to 10. Understand?